Rain or Shine is making a strong move for the PBA Season 50 Commissioner's Cup matapos nilang papirmahin si Jalen Johnson bilang import, and hindi ito yung nasa Atlanta Hawks ha. At 6'9" and 29 years old, Johnson brings size, athleticism, and global experience na swak sa sistema ni Coach Cheng Yao. Hindi ito basta random signing dahil target talaga ng Elasto Painters na lampasan ang kanilang semifinal na mga tinatapos ng ilang conference na yun. Johnson is a former Louisville standout and once shared the court with Donovan Mitchell, kaya may high-level pedigree siya. Recently, he played in the KBL with Goyang Sono Sky Gunners kung saan naging teammate niya si Kevin Kiambao. That connection matters dahil ibig sabihin sanay siya sa Asian style of play and quicker tempo basketball. Kung titingnan ang career niya, well-traveled si Johnson with stints sa G League, Uruguay, Taiwan, Israel, Turkey at Korea. Kahit modest yung minutes niya sa KBL recently, Rain or Shine is betting on his full skill package, not just raw stats. He's not just a bruiser inside, may shooting touch din siya and can stretch the floor. That's important sa Commissioner's Cup, lalo na kay Coach Cheng Yao dahil may space and game yung mga import-oriented sa offense. Defensively, he can switch on smaller players and protect the rim when needed. Sa system ni Coach Cheng na physical at disciplined, Johnson could thrive as a two-way forward. And of course, he will play the center position. Ang tanong ngayon, paano siya mag-fit sa core ng Rain or Shine na may balanced local rotation? Johnson gives them muscle and mobility, something they lack against elite imports. If he becomes their primary option, expect higher usage and better numbers kaysa sa limited role niya sa abroad. His versatility allows Rain or Shine to run pick and pop, high-low sets, and even small ball lineups. This signing signals na seryoso yung Elasto Painters na mag-content talaga eh. Hindi lang makontento na puro semifinals, puro quarterfinals. With Season 50 being historic na, Rain or Shine wants to make some noise and Johnson could be the missing piece. Sa kabilang banda, Terra Firma is going all in on size matapos nilang kunin ang 7-footer na si Mubashar Ali bilang import. Coming off a rough Philippine Cup campaign, lagi naman malino na kailangan nila ng interior presence. At 7 foot tall, around 230 pounds, Ali instantly becomes the tallest and biggest player on the roster. He played college ball at Florida before building his career overseas. Most recently in Georgia, he averaged 14.5 points and 9.7 rebounds, showing solid production for a team na nag-i-struggle palagi. And of course, yung rebounding and rim protection, this is a direct solution move. Ali is known as a traditional center with strong rebounding instincts and shot blocking ability. Hindi siya sobrang scorer talaga eh, but he provides paint control and second chance opportunities. That alone can change Terra Firma's defensive identity, and last conference they had difficulty containing dominant players. And of course, yung makakapagpigil man lang kay Junmar, and now they finally have some legit rim deterrence. His international experience in Turkey, Finland, Italy, and Qatar shows adaptability and different system eh. If he anchors the paint properly, it frees up their local scorers to focus more on perimeter offense. So, yung move ba na to is clearly ba na magko-compete yung Terra Firma this conference? So, they just won one game previously. So, expectation ngayon ay makukuha ng Ginebra yung number 1 pick. So, tingnan natin kung magbabago yung ihip ng hangin. Ali gives them the vertical spacing on offense and defensive stability on the other hand. So, if he controls rebounds and protect the rim consistently, Terra Firma games becomes more winnable late. Tingnan natin. The Commissioner's Cup format favors teams with dominant imports and Ali fits that mold physically. Now, it all comes down to chemistry and execution once he arrives and suit-ups for the Season 50 Commissioner's Cup. So, kayo ba? Anong tingin nyo sa both imports? Swak ba yung para sa Rain or Shine? And ano naman yung tingin yung record ng Terra Firma this conference? So, let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Aegon Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye-bye!